Sales persona, what it is and how to create one for sales success. AnyBiz. Sales personas align sales efforts with customer needs, guiding effective pitches and closing deals. AI tools like AnyBiz refine these personas using real-time data, boosting sales success. This video explores sales personas, their impact, and AI's role in enhancing them. A sales persona represents the ideal customer, developed from real data to refine sales strategies. It helps sales teams tailor pitches, anticipate objections, and personalize outreach. Unlike broader buyer personas used by various departments, sales personas focus specifically on effective engagement and decision-making in sales. Sales personas vary by industry. A CTO may prioritize integration and security, while a CFO values low-risk investments. Each persona guides messaging and tactics, ensuring more relevant and persuasive sales interactions. Sales personas help target messaging effectively. Primary persona, ideal customer, aligned with your product, decision maker, high conversion, for example, CIO focused on IT. Secondary persona, influences decisions but isn't the main buyer, for example, IT manager offering feedback. User versus buyer. Users care about functionality. Buyers focus on ROI, for example, analyst versus CFO. Industry specific, tailored to sector needs, for example, compliance for healthcare, cost for retail. Creating a sales persona. Begin by analyzing customer data to identify key traits like demographics, challenges, and buying behavior. Build a persona profile with goals and communication preferences. Align sales tactics with these personas, adapting messages to fit their needs. Regularly update personas based on feedback and market shifts to keep them effective. AnyBiz streamlines persona creation by using AI to analyze large data sets, identifying trends and client traits. It delivers accurate, evolving sales personas based on real-time data, keeping sales strategies aligned with current trends and customer needs. AnyBiz's AI offers accurate, scalable, and real-time updated sales personas, aligning strategies with target needs for better engagement and conversions. Experience AI-driven sales automation with AnyBiz. Try it free for 7 days, no credit card required. Connect with the right prospects and boost sales. Don't miss out on our updates. Show your support by liking and subscribing to stay tuned.